Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ankit. So today's video is very special because I wanted to do this video since very long time, since I have watched famous YouTuber Sejal Kumars video how you can style one jeans in 10 different ways. तब से मैं ये सोच रहा था कि क्यों ना मैं ऐसा ही सिमिलर वीडियो लड़कों के लिए बनाऊं जिसमें हम लड़के भी एक ही सिंपल जीन्स को 10 डिफरेंट तरीके से पहन सकते हैं. So here I am today. In this video I'll be sharing with you one simple jeans जो कि हम सबके पास होती है, normal blue jeans. उसको आप 10 डिफरेंट तरीके से कैसे पहन सकते हैं. So before we begin, if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a like and do comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first look is for college, where you can wear any normal casual shirt button opened on t-shirt with black casual shoes, wear any casual watch, and of course a college bag, and you are good to go. Yes, you can wear a kurta on jeans on any casual day. If you wanna wear kurta on a college, then do not wear too many colors. Only plain basic kurta is good. Yes, jeans can be formal too if you wear it with a correct shirt. Plain white shirt, brown belt, formal watch, brown formal shoes make the look more formal. Here I am carrying very smart casual laptop bag to make the look complete. I know on Fridays we are all allowed to wear t-shirts in office. Wear a formal watch or a casual watch with a plain basic polo. Wear it with the semi-formal shoes and you are good to go on Friday. Since you are wearing polo in office, so I would suggest do not wear so many colors. Just a plain basic polo is fine. Next one is for lunch date. Wear any fancy casual shirt with jeans and white sneakers. Wear any casual watch matching to your shirt, or wear any formal watch to make your look complete. The next one is for any social event. White shirt, on top of it wear a Nehru jacket, brown belt, brown shoes. It makes your overall look so classy. Are you guys ready for the party? Wear any cool blazer on your boring jeans. Wear it with white sneaker and you won't miss any chance to impress any girl in the party. Next one is everyday wear. Wear any casual shirt on jeans and a nice watch. I can't tell you the importance of wearing watch. It takes your outfit from one level to another, and white sneaker adds cherry on the cake. We all know t-shirts are the most comfortable thing to wear, and yes, most of us wear t-shirts with jeans every single day. The next one is movie date outfit. Wear a hoodie on a same boring old jeans. We all know in theaters we often feel cold due to the high AC, so why to take chance? Plus hoodie never fails to add new look to your boring old jeans. I love wearing bomber jackets. Best thing is you can wear it in summers also because they are very light and very comfortable. So wear a cool bomber jacket when you're going out for a brunch or going out with your friends just like that, and give your old boring jeans to a new look. So गाइज दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो। आई होप ये वीडियो देखने में आपको बहुत मजा आया होगा जितना कि मुझे शूट करने में आया था। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज गिव इट अ थम्स अप, डू सब्सक्राइब टू AKT TV, do let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.